Sony's XAV-AX3200 and XAV-AX150 are two of the most searched Sony head units on the market, and drivers constantly ask which one is worth buying. In this video, we're answering that question and ranking the top 5 best Sony head units overall. We're moving from an entry-level pickup to Sony's higher-end wireless CarPlay options. Every pick here is a genuine Sony multimedia receiver, not a third-party alternative. Stick around to see exactly where the XAV-AX3200 and XAV-AX150 land on this list. Number 1. The Sony XAV-AX150. The Sony XAV-AX150 opens this list as the most accessible way into the Sony lineup. This model is currently only available through Amazon's Renewed program, since Sony has shifted new production toward newer XAV models. Buying Renewed is a completely legitimate way to get genuine Sony hardware at a lower entry point. The compact touchscreen display still delivers Sony's core in-dash multimedia experience without wireless CarPlay support. Renewed units go through a certification and testing process before resale, which reduces the risk compared to a private party used purchase. This unit suits drivers who specifically searched for the XAV-AX150 and want to know their realistic buying options today. It also suits budget-conscious drivers who want genuine Sony branding without paying for the newest wireless features. The small number of buyers on this exact Renewed listing reflects how new this specific offer is, not a quality concern. Sony's core software and interface remain identical across Renewed and new units, since the hardware itself doesn't change. Drivers comparing the XAV-AX150 directly against the XAV-AX3200 should know this entry point comes without wireless phone mirroring. That trade-off is the main reason this model sits at the accessible end of Sony's current lineup. For drivers who mainly want reliable audio and a familiar Sony interface, that trade-off is genuinely worth considering. This is the starting point on this list, built for accessibility rather than the newest wireless features. Number 2. The Sony XAV-AX3200. The Sony XAV-AX3200 is the model most drivers are actually searching for. This receiver adds full Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, a major step up from the XAV-AX150's basic display. The 7-inch touchscreen gives drivers noticeably more room for navigation and app controls than the smaller Renewed unit before it. This is genuinely a new, currently produced Sony model, unlike the XAV-AX150's Renewed exclusive availability. A large number of owners have weighed in on this exact model, making it one of the most established picks on this list. That level of established feedback is exactly why the XAV-AX3200 shows up so often in comparison searches. This receiver suits drivers who specifically want wired CarPlay and Android Auto without paying for wireless connectivity. It also suits drivers who research Sony head units specifically and landed on this model as the sensible middle ground. Sony designed the AX3200 as a true entry point into wired smartphone mirroring, without stepping up to Sony's higher-tier models. That positioning makes this receiver the natural comparison point against the XAV-AX150 named in this video's title. Drivers cross-shopping wired versus wireless CarPlay often start their research with exactly this comparison. That's part of why both named models in this video's title consistently rank among Sony's most searched head units. This receiver represents genuinely solid middle ground between the accessible XAV-AX150 and Sony's higher-end wireless lineup. For drivers who specifically searched for this model, that middle ground positioning is exactly what makes it worth the upgrade. Number 3. The Sony XAV-AX3700. The Sony XAV-AX3700 pushes further into Sony's current wired CarPlay lineup. This receiver keeps Apple CarPlay support wired, similar to the AX3200, but adds Maestro readiness for deeper vehicle integration. Maestro compatibility lets installers retain factory steering wheel controls and vehicle information on certain compatible vehicles. That deeper integration is the main reason this model sits above the standard AX3200 before it. This specific model has a smaller number of buyers weighing in so far, since it's a more recent addition to Sony's lineup. That said, the Maestro integration feature alone makes this model worth considering for specific factory integration needs. This receiver suits drivers whose vehicles support Maestro integration and want to retain factory steering wheel controls. It also suits drivers upgrading from the AX3200 who specifically need deeper factory system compatibility. Maestro integration modules typically require an additional purchase, which is worth factoring in when comparing this model against the AX3200. That additional step is a genuine trade-off drivers should understand before choosing this model specifically for its integration features. Sound quality and touchscreen responsiveness remain consistent with the rest of Sony's current XAV lineup. Drivers who don't specifically need Maestro compatibility are often better served by the standard AX3200 instead. This model exists specifically for drivers whose vehicles benefit from that deeper factory system integration. For that specific use case, the added integration genuinely justifies stepping up from the standard AX3200. Number 4. The Sony XAV-AX4000. The Sony XAV-AX4000 introduces wireless CarPlay to this list for the first time. This receiver drops the cable entirely, connecting to an iPhone automatically once it's been paired the first time. Wireless Android Auto is also included, giving Android users the same cable-free convenience as iPhone owners. This model is also Maestro-ready, matching the integration capability of the AX3700, while adding wireless connectivity on top. A substantial number of owners back this specific model, and the feedback consistently highlights how reliable the wireless pairing is. That consistency matters, since wireless CarPlay implementations vary significantly in quality across different head unit brands. This receiver suits drivers who specifically want cable-free convenience and are willing to pay for that upgrade. It also suits drivers who need Maestro integration but don't want to give up wireless smartphone mirroring. Wireless CarPlay does draw slightly more power during the initial pairing process than a wired connection. That difference is negligible in daily use and shouldn't factor heavily into most buying decisions. Drivers moving up from either the AX3200 or AX3700 immediately notice the convenience of not plugging in a cable. That single change is often enough to justify the step up to this receiver's overall tier. This receiver sits solidly in the upper half of Sony's current lineup without reaching flagship territory yet. For drivers who specifically want wireless convenience without going all the way to Sony's top-tier options, this is the pick. Number 5. The Sony XAV-AX6000. The Sony XAV-AX6000 closes this list as the flagship pick. This receiver adds HDMI video input on top of everything the AX4000 offers. That's a feature none of the other picks on this list include. That HDMI input lets drivers connect external video sources directly. None of the other wired CarPlay models on this list can do that. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both carry over from the AX4000, so drivers don't lose any connectivity features stepping up. Maestro readiness also carries over, keeping factory steering wheel control compatibility consistent across Sony's higher-tier lineup. The overwhelming volume of owner feedback behind Sony's XAV lineup as a whole reflects genuine long-term trust in these receivers. This receiver suits drivers who want every available feature Sony currently offers, including HDMI input for external video sources. It also suits drivers finishing out a build who specifically want the newest, most capable Sony head unit available. Stepping up to HDMI input and the full feature set does mean spending more than any other pick on this list. For most daily drivers, that extra spending mainly buys HDMI input, a feature many buyers will genuinely never use. Drivers who specifically want that external video capability, though, won't find it anywhere else on this list. That exclusivity is exactly why this receiver closes the list as the flagship pick. Between the HDMI input, wireless connectivity, and Maestro readiness, this receiver represents Sony's most complete current offering. For drivers who want the full Sony experience with nothing left out, this closes the list as the clear top choice. That's Sony's top 5 best head units, along with exactly where the XAV-AX3200 and XAV-AX150 land in that lineup. Which Sony head unit are you installing next? Let us know in the comments.